So those of you thought this video is gonna be actually a clickbait video, watch till the end to know whether it's a clickbait or not. So firstly, I will tell you guys that this trick is gonna be working in Android mobiles only. This trick won't work in case of iPhones and iPads. This is actually a glitch of Play Store, and we have to use a trick to use this glitch. This is actually a refund glitch. I hope few of you guys actually understood what I am going to tell. In case of other games like PUBG Mobile and all other games, this trick usually didn't work. But in case of COD Mobile, this trick is working. The trick is a refund trick. That is, if one recharges a Google recharge code, suppose 80 rupees, which is the minimum CP cost of Android mobiles, while in case of iPhones it is actually 89 rupees, but it won't work in iPhones. It's gonna work in Android mobiles only. So that's why you have to recharge Google Play recharge code by 80 rupees, and then this trick is gonna work. After recharging the Google recharge code of 80 rupees, you have to buy 79 rupees pack of Quad Mobile 8 TCP pack. And after buying that, you have to go to Play Store and ask for a refund. And I'll give a link in the description box of the refund link. After clicking on the link, you can go for a refund, and you'll have to specify which reason, for which reason you are gonna asking for a refund. Any reason will work. I usually chose I don't recognize this purchase, but other reasons will work too. So this trick is actually dependent on your luck. If you are too unlucky, then this trick is gonna happen for only 2 times or 3 times on your Gmail account. You can use other Gmail accounts too, but if you're too lucky, you can use this trick for 10 times or even more times on your Gmail account. Suppose you have recharged 80 and you have asked for refund for 1 time, then you have purchased it again, then your CP is now 160, then again you have done the same process, then now your CP is 160 plus 80 equals 240. Your BP is safe now after 240 CP. Then after that 8 plus 80 CP, you can do this for 10 times or even more, or it is dependent on your luck. You can ask for refunds for up to 2 days. So this trick must be done in only 2 days. So be careful about that. So those who guys don't believe, just try this out. This trick is true, and I have used it, and I am not banned yet. I've been using this trick from the last year, and I have not been banned yet. And so some of you guys must be wondering, why am I not banned? It's because it's the glitch of Play Store, not the glitch of the game. If you are abusing the glitch of a game, then the game will be banned you. But if you are abusing the glitch of Play Store, then they can ban you, right? I hope you got my point, and those of you thought that this video is gonna be a clickbait, I hope you got my answer that this is not a clickbait. So bye, see you soon later.